Yeah, hi, good morning, all of you online guys. Please provide your mail ID and phone number in chat box today also. Then only we can share to you demo videos and content. All of you online guys, I'm requesting you, please share your mails under chat box, mails and phone numbers. Okay, as a part of second demo, today we are going to be discuss about the practical implementation. So how can we speak with this database? That is well said today. Yesterday we are discussed. These are all the topics. Before going to that, again today we'll see what we are going to be cover in this course, how much time it will take, and what we are going to be provide you. So these are all we'll see. See here now, total 45 hours this course will take. Daily 1 hour session. Fixed timing 11 a.m. to 12 p.m.
నెంబర్ ఏంది ఎట్లా ఉన్నది వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఎలాంటి యూపీ
11 a.m. to 12 p.m. it is Monday to Friday. Session will continue. Saturday optional.
డైరెక్ట్ ఇంకేటు
Based on availability, all of you online guys, please use.
అంత ఒకటేసారి చేస్తే ఎట్రా లైఫ్ లో
Yeah, who are not shared your mail IDs and phone numbers. Please share your mails and phone numbers and a chat box. So after the completion of this course, we are going to be provide a project also near to the real-time end-to-end project. We'll see. And along with this course, all materials, live video sessions, daily which we are going to be discuss. That video, recorded video after the completion of the session, I will share to your mail IDs for your recap purpose and practical and FAQs. So to crack the interviews, especially these documents or these are all documents or enough if you practice it well. In two parts we are going to be cover here. SQL and along with this TSQL, transact SQL it is. SQL and transact SQL. This was the brief. I will share to your mail IDs in deep of content, SQL Server overview and components and server installation, languages and constraints, indexes, set operators, subqueries, joins, views and functions. TSQL part means programming language with SQL language together to write repeated code behinds and reusable code behinds, n number of lines of code if you want to create, then we can go and we can use all this as mandatory. If you are a BI developer or else a application developer or else a any modern technology if you are using, so all those technologies needs required in SQL level. So this part is mandatory. These are all we are going to be covered in this course in deep. That doesn't matter. So either you have a prior experience or not. From end to end, slow down, then we'll move. From beginner to advanced, then we'll move. Like this course is designed. Then see now, yesterday we all discussed about as for the first demo, all these topics we covered. What is mean by the data? Data storage solutions, data presence in databases, familiar database vendors. So many organizations are providing for us database. Why database? Why database means to maintain or to organize our data in one place. Years and years and years. We require a database is required. And what is this SQL? That is yesterday we are discussed. Okay, fine. Today then we'll see how the data, okay, data is collection of information. Just 5 minutes will recap all these things yesterday's what we discussed. Data is a unit of information. Maybe it is in a format of dates, numbers, characters, images, videos. Data may be in format of a video format, image format, or a number, character format, date format. Different formats we can store our data, our selfie. So that is a image format. So or else a function video that is in video format. Other information, numbers, character, date format. Like this, the data will populate in different formats, the data will populate it. Wherever we are storing data, wherever we are going to be store our data, that is we call it as a data storage. Why we need to store data? Why we need to store data means today if you are not storing about your data or about your business, so then tomorrow then we can't see what happened yesterday. And if you don't know what happened yesterday, we can't analyze what needs to be happened tomorrow. That is what is going on today. We should record. That is what we are taking selfies daily. So you are going to be visit some place in a city. So you are visited a some mall. Then why we are taking selfie? To recap these moments, we are capturing that moment or that position we are going to be capture it. So later, then we can see and we can recap that memories. That is meant by this storage. But two major storages are there according to the system I am saying, not outside. In a system level, if you want to store your data, two major areas are there. One is file, second one is a database. One is a file format, second one is database format. So these two major formats, first one is a file format only. So we don't have a database long years back, files only. Nowadays, lot of file formats are available to store our data, document, Excel, PPT, PowerPoint presentation, PDF document, JPEG, image file. Lot of files are available. We can store your data under files. But advantages, disadvantages, both are there here. If you are storing your data in file, advantage is simple copy paste your data. Load. File level data we can load simple. And file we can move from one place to other place is very easy. Cut and paste. See here. So all these are all our files only. All our files. Right or wrong? All these are all our files only. See text file, and this one is a PDF document. So this one is called as a Word document, and this one is in SQL document. Like this JPG image format. Different files are available. Lot of files are available here. This is called as Excel file. This one is Excel file. So a lot of files formats are available. Whatever format you are expecting, then you can go and you can store our data under that place. But see, it's a very simple to load your data in Excel, open Excel sheet. Then go and store your data manually. Here manually we can go and we can store our data. It is right or wrong? Simple it is. And if you want to, or else somewhere else, something if you want to copy paste here, we can paste it. And move also. It's a very simple. Cut this one and then go and load it into somewhere else. And we can go and we can paste over here. Simple. Right or wrong? So these two are advantages. But disadvantage is huge volumes, Hadoop volumes of data. Then we can't maintain in Excels. We can't maintain in Excel file or document file. For example, all bank transactions throughout the world. Take one bank. All bank transactions, if you are expecting to take, that's not possible here. File is not sufficient to control that complete data. Trillions of records will populate in one day. So it's a very toughest part. And also relations. One file to other file, then we can't make relation. Physically, we can't make the relations. That is what they are introduced. One tool is called as a DBMS, Database Management System. A DBMS. Wherever your data you are maintaining according to the system, that place we call it as a DBMS. It is Database Management System. Years and years and years, keep on years and years. Then we can manage, we can maintain, not only store. Lot of advantages are there. If we are going to be maintain data in database, lot of advantages are existed. See, and also lot of databases are also available. We'll see that. See, what are the advantages if we are going to be store your data or if we are going to be maintaining data in databases. So, effective data retrieval. First point. Yes, exactly. From past 7 years onwards, Aadhaar data we are loading. Government is loading. Right or wrong? 140 Aadhaar cards are there in India. For every person, identity proof is there. So this 140 crores of records, for every person, one record is there. For every person, one detail. So 140 crores of records are existed, are loaded in one place. From how many years? 7 years onwards. Today, if I'm asking my Aadhaar, right or wrong, my Aadhaar information, again it will take 7 years to get back the data. If I'm asking Aadhaar ID, I want to see my information. 7 years it will take to get back the data? No. Within fraction of seconds, it will come down your Aadhaar information, right or wrong? That is meant by this effective data retrieval. So how we are verifying based on my Aadhaar number, conditional verification or conditional retrieval is possible here. Effective data retrieval, data organization and storage. We can smooth, we can organize years and years and years. And data integrity, yes. So Hyderabad data, Bangalore data, Chennai data, Mumbai data, all then we can integrate in one place. Security, more security we can provide. So once if we stored data in database level, more security if it is a government data, military data. Okay, security is important or not? High security required. Otherwise, what happened? Complete our data is going to be theft by somebody else. So these are all our advantages are there. Once if we are going to be maintain a data in databases. And also different databases are available. See, these are all databases, relational databases, and object-oriented databases, NoSQL databases, distributed databases, warehouse databases like this. Different kinds of databases are there. But most frequent database is relational database. Is most frequently used database to maintain or to store our data. MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server. These are all are come under relational databases. Organize data into tables. What we are doing here, our data we are purely arranging in a table format. Employee data, Aadhaar data, driving license information, passport information. How we are storing? In a pure organized way, rows and columns we are storing. Yes, this is mean by the relational database. Most used or frequently used database is called as relational database. So that is mean by the database. How it will present the data in databases like this. Two formats it will support. Two-dimension, multi-dimensional. Only database will allow two formats only. How? Two-dimension or multi-dimensional format. Yes, then you can ask the question. What is the question is? Okay, boss. This all story is well and good. But how the data is loading into the database level or else in system. I have a system. My laptop is there. To my laptop, how the data will come? Different methods are there to store your data into the system level. Different methods are there. What are those means? So see here, like this. 1 second. Right. See now, methods for loading data. Different methods we can load data either in database or in files. First one is application integration. Maximum 80% of data will load by using this one, application integration. And manual 10%. File format, file import, just 10% only. Okay. This is all ETL process in data warehouses. Maximum 80%. This is a separate area. So data will load from one place to other place by using ETL process. See what is mean by this application integration. Application integration means we can see outside so many websites. Book My Show, Flipkart, Amazon. Do you know all this? Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, these are all websites. Once if you deal any transaction, suppose for example, in Facebook, open and see the Facebook. This is called as a Facebook, sorry, a Flipkart. What this site is doing, this website is doing billions and trillions of products they are selling. Right or wrong? But select one product, woman watches. Once click on this, search it is. Once if you are requesting, so many products are coming, right? Wrong. So once if you are going to be select one product, complete product images, description, price, everything it is showing or not. So, but where is this information existed? Where this information existed? See, it is not existed in browser level. This is a browser. Browser level data will not store. This is called as a front end. What we are calling is this one is a front end. Front end is your application. Flipkart, IRCTC, Flipkart, Amazon, Book My Show, right? So these are all, or we call it as a front ends. Front end means application only. ATM center once if you are entered, there is no employee, mission only. We can speak with the mission, virtual communication it is. This one we call it as a front end. So this one is designed by Java, PHP, Python, Django, like this, right or wrong. By using program, they are going to be designed application beautifully like this. So Flipkart is designed in Java. Okay. But where they are going to be get the data, my data presented in backend. So where the data is presented, complete IRCTC data is there here. Flipkart data is there here. Book My Show data is there here. Okay. This is called as backend. Whatever you are doing here, Flipkart, just we are requested a woman watches. What happened? See, the page is going to be refresh. Means by using Java, they are going to be touch with the database. Here one table is there that is called as a product table. From this product table, they are going to be get the data related to woman watches. That data they are going to be again display in website in a beautiful way. Right or wrong? Table level data is not going to be stored like this. Table level data will store like this. So plain data they are going to be extract, and in website they are going to be display like this. They are going to be display. This is called as first approach, that is called as application integration. It is, this one is called as application integration. Most probably in a world 80 to 90% of data will populate by using application integration only. All our websites nowadays, your smartphone having lot of applications. Wherever you are, WhatsApp, you are sending messages. What is mean by this? Everything is recorded. Right or wrong? If you are speaking, Geo, yes, your complete talk recorded by this Geo network. At least 4 months they need to be maintained. Something is wrong happened, they need to submit each and every SIM interactions stored to the government. Right or wrong? Somebody is done a illegal activity. If the government department is asking to submit, they need to be submitted. Otherwise, they are not going to be provide the permission to the network people. Right or wrong? Network providers. See how much data will populate. So this is the way the data will be populated automatically. Next step is manual. Simple example, Panipuri Bandi. I have. Okay. I want to store my business data. Of course, that is also business, right? Daily, how many are coming and what they are using. But I don't have more money to automate this business. That is what manually I will sit, open Excel sheet, and then go and enter manually. And next one, file import. So today you are attended for demo, but you are not created a content. I am sharing to you. That is, you are downloaded to your system. That is also data will populate to in your mission. One more is ETL process. Extract, transform, load. Extract data from different places, cleans the data and load it into somewhere else. Okay, one place to other place we are moving data. That is also the data populate. One more is synchronization, replication. It is like this also the data is going to be load. Replication means, see, all you have a phones, right or wrong? Smartphones. So your phone synchronize with your Gmail account. If we are taking selfie today, what happened? This image is going to be loaded in Gmail account. Even though my phone corrupted, then I can get back all my videos and document or photos from drive. Right or wrong? This is mean by the copy. Synchronization, it is automatically, it will do. Like this, in a system level, the data will populate. In a different methods, the data will load. Okay. So maybe in a file or maybe in a database or in database. Most probably 90% of data will populate in databases, not here. Okay, fine. How many databases are available in market right now? These are all our familiar databases. Lot of databases are there. So Oracle database, Oracle is providing. DB2, IBM is providing. SQL Server, Microsoft is providing. MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, MariaDB, Cassandra, Snowflake, Teradata, like this. These are all our familiar databases. Okay. So, okay, fine. Once if we decided to interact with this database, what I'm expecting is purchase the license from the Microsoft Corporation. Then I want to store my data in SQL Server database. SQL Server is a database. Okay. Who is providing? Microsoft is providing. Yes, if we want to interact with any database, what we require? SQL is required. Right or wrong? If you don't know SQL, then we can't speak with the database. We cannot do it anything else. Okay, fine. According to my system, what we require, this one is a tool. Database is a tool. Database is mean by the tool it is. If you are expecting to interact with a tool, then what we require here is system is required. See, you are expecting to make a call to your friend. What we require? Phone is required. If you don't have a phone, okay, then how can we speak with others? It's not possible. Right or wrong? Same way, if you want to work with your database, mandatory system is required. Under system, according to your system capacity, we can install here servers, databases. This one is one database. This one is one database. And like this, multiple databases we can install it. SQL Server, Oracle, and then Teradata. So with this, if you want to work, then go and communicate with this tool. With this, if you want to speak, then go and communicate with Oracle database. In my system, two databases already installed. See here, Oracle and the SQL Server. Open and see this Oracle first of all. Come to here. Oracle database from Oracle Corporation. Double click on this. What is this database? Oracle database it is. Right or wrong? Yes. Once if we open, then we'll see how it looks like. So this one is look like this. Nowadays, all are graphical user interfaces. GUI means graphical. Graphically, we can talk with the database. See, this one is one database. Under this server, we have a different databases of that. HR, OLTP, REPO, StageDB, TDB. So once then go and open this, then what it is asking? Provide a password to connect with the server database. Open this. Then go and HR. What your password has expired. See now. TDB. Okay. Now then go and see. Lot of objects are there. Tables, views, indexes, packages, functions, procedures. Who is providing? Oracle is providing for us. Once if you purchase a Oracle, Oracle is providing all these features to store your data or to maintain our data or to manage our data. Okay, open tables here. Then so many tables are exist means already data already loaded. This is not my database, somebody else database. We are open. Already they are loaded data. But today, if I want to see, then how can we see this one? Yes, we are entered into the server. If we want to speak with the server, what is my intention? I want to see one table information is called as TZT underscore EMP. I want to see the data, what they stored previous. Now I am saying to the server like this, go and get back my TZT underscore employee data. Okay, pure English language. This is my request. I'm asking the question to the server. Then go and run. This is a request. This request I am going to be sent to the server for execution. Click on run. What it is saying? Clear Dirtundi. So, and it is providing you the error message. Boss, what you are speaking? Either it's Telugu, Japanese, Chinese, I can't understood this. Right or wrong? So, database required SQL only. Your English, Telugu, Tamil, Chinese. Yes, even though if I know Japanese, database can't understand me. Database required complete pure the request to be in a format of SQL only. See, same question I am asking like this. Select star from TZT underscore EMP. See the request. Meaning of this one and this one both are the same. What I am saying is select a data from this table. Okay. Star means everything. Then go and get back all I am asking. Then select this request and send. So is the data is coming or not? See here now. Coming or not? Yes, everything get back. Server is saying, boss, according to your query, this is my request. So user asking this question to the server is responding here. Request and response. What it is saying, yes, boss. So under this table, how many records are existed? Total 214 records are there. 214 records. What are those? Each and every employee ID, first name, last name, salary, department ID is there. Clear? This was the way then we had to speak with the database. Otherwise, the database can't understand. So this one is called as a request. This is called as a response. Who is responding? Server is responding. Who is asking the question? User is asking the question. Always it is a command oriented language. We are commanding the server. According to the command, server will respond. If you did a mistake, it will provide you error. Here. Your talk is a missing something. I can't understand, boss, you are missing something here. Of course, if I know English, where, what, when, which, if I am talking like that, nobody else can understood. What is this? That is what we have a grammatical format is that. Here also, we should provide that request in a grammatical format. That is mean by the syntax. So that is what we are going to be learn SQL here. To speak with the database. See now, simple architecture. Okay, boss. This is Oracle. Oracle Corporation is providing this tool. I don't want Oracle. I know SQL. But I want to speak with SQL Server, Microsoft database. Then see. Go and open SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Whose tool it is? Microsoft tool it is. For what? For to speak with Microsoft database. Then it is asking, okay, boss, you are asking database. Which database you want to speak? You have here multiple databases. See, 10 a.m., 9 a.m., 5 p.m. is there. Which one you want to talk? Yes, of course, I have three flags. 504, 606 and 501. which which flat you want to be open access, that is it is asking. Then go and ask here 9 a.m. I want to talk. It's a one of the area. Then here also it is providing expand this, same tables, views, programmability, expand this, stored procedures, functions, there or not. See here, whatever we have here under this database, same here also we can see tables, views, stored procedures, functions. Right or wrong, guys? Synonyms. Okay. See, simple example: 2 bikes, Royal Enfield. Okay, BMW. Okay, BMW is also required engine. Royal Enfield is also required engine. Right or wrong? So without engine, Royal Enfield will use. We can use. We cannot use. Yes, features will functionality won't be varied. Feature is going to be variable. That's it. Please remind and catch this point. What I'm asking is, yes, pass now. I want to speak with SQL Server. This one, HRDB. Here also I'm asking same question. Go and get back. My account table data. Then go and send this request to the server. What it is saying? What you are speaking, I can't understand. Yeah, pure English language. Then ask here like this, select a star from account table. Execute it now. Coming on. Same question, same request, but object is different. Here, table name is different. Here, the table name is different. But remaining thing are all are same. This is the way then we have to be learn this SQL part. Once if you know how to write a command, then we can work with any server, either Oracle or SQL Server it is. Clear, all of you guys? Yes, so far, who are not shared your mail IDs and the chat box, please go and share your mail ID and phone number. Then only then you can get. Today's video and yesterday's video along with the materials, course content and all. Otherwise, it's very not possible, right? Okay, fine. See, this was the way, then we can go and we can speak with the servers. That is what we are going to be learn SQL part. Simple architecture it is. Server, under server, database, under database, object. Table is one object. And this one is one object. This one is one object. Means simple example here. House. Under house, different rooms we can construct. Bedroom, kitchen, hall. Under bedroom, all bedroom objects should be there, right or wrong? Kitchen object should be there. Why we are segregating like this? Bedroom, kitchen, hall. Why not single room? All objects, if you are loading in single room, then control will miss. Easily, then we can't manage it. That is what we are constructing in a house: bedroom, kitchen, hall. Kitchen object should be there in kitchen only. If I want any kitchen object, direct go for kitchen. Same process here also. Server level database. Database is nothing but your house. House level room. It's a one room. Under room, these are all our objects, tables. HRDB. Yes, what we are going to be load here, complete HR related information only. Complete HR, human resource related information only. If we segregate the data like this or storage like this, we can maintain it. Easily we can maintain it. So this was the way then we are going to be write queries from begin to advanced. See this much of queries then we can see. See this query, all command only. What is this? This is all command. Complete. So lines of commands, how many lines are existed? Almost 290 lines are there. Okay. This is all we are going to be learned. So this much of code behinds will be presented in enterprises. Slow down from single command to like here up to here, then I will explain. Okay. No worry about it. So this is what we are going to write programming in SQL part. This was the reality. This much of code behind. Don't worry about it. Slow down, then we'll go from begin to advanced. Begin to advanced will move. Yes. So here under this course, we are going to be cover. These are all topics in deep. Materials you will get like this. You are going to be get for each and every topic wise after the explanation. I will give you the screenshots also. For just for to recap your easily you recap your subject for each and every topic wise. I'm going to be provide you slides like this. And finally, so this is a added skill it is. I will give you the complete lecture on. So how can we become a faster developer by using AI assistants? Okay. SQL expert with AI. How can we integrate our SQL with AI to generate our queries faster or to debug faster or for interview preparation by using AI? Okay. And beginner to end master query writings, optimizations. How can we optimize our query? Suppose for example, if I'm entered into the enterprise as a 4 years of guy, sudden they are provided me 1500 lines of code. I don't know, right? 1500 lines like this they are provided me. So this query they are provided. What is going on here? I don't know. So somebody are created long back, 10 years back it is created. Now they are asking some modification. Or else under this program one error is coming. How can we find out that error? How can we debug? I don't know anything else here. Why? Because so just I placed the experience only, but I didn't work. Then how can we achieve this or all? Or else you are already working in enterprise level. Already you are working. Then how can we do it faster? So query performance. performance optimization. So easy techniques for to write advanced SQL queries. So these are all by using with AI assistance, then we are going to be learned. Okay, I will cover this AI concepts in especially for SQL. Okay, then I will cover end of this session. Yes, of course, within fraction of seconds, then we can build lines of code. We can, yes, if your prompt is proper, then automatically the AI tools, many tools are there. I will show you which tool is a better for to which process. Okay, then practically we'll implement and we'll see also, right? To catch your skill, to improve your skill or to expose your skill faster with AI. That is also then I'm going to be covered 2-3 hours for this batch. Okay, don't miss it. Okay, then, right. So this was the way the lectures will continue. You are going to be get along with this practical documents and theoretical documents, complete practical implementation. See, like this. All these are all practical documents. Yes, practical one, practical two. This is one company's completely test. It's not my own test, it is. So one organization came 2 years back to our institution. They conducted their self exam here for to the requirement of pure SQL development. So, so those company test it is along with this like this. Then you are going to be get the practical documents, practical one, practical two, practical three, and keys also. This was the key for practical three. All queries you can see. And after the confirmation, then we are going to be, the management is going to be created a WhatsApp group here. And then WhatsApp group, then we can follow each and every daily, each and every day, the updates, complete updates, then we can follow like this. Every topic wise, day wise, what we are discussed and what documents we are uploaded. And then after, for each and every topic wise slides for to recap easy or to remind easy the topic. That is all. Then I will provide you links. See here. Like this, then we are going to be provided each and every day. Okay. What is the topic we are discussed along with this slide also. Right? Communication. Whatever you have any doubt, then we can communicate in WhatsApp group. So related to the requirement, and we are some requirements coming with us directly to this management, and we are going to be guide you for that requirement level also. Resume preparations. If you are expecting with your technology, or if you are expecting my help on a resume preparation, I will guide you that resume preparation also. Okay. So at the end of the session, all of you clear, guys? Do you have any question? Please raise your questions online, guys, one by one.
So yes, Shreedhar sir, actually from non-IT background, can it will be for in someone to learn SQL?
Exactly. See, SQL is the backbone for all modern technologies. See here. This is only the backbone for all modern technologies. Must and should we have to be learned. Don't worry, and you are a beginner, and don't worry about it. From end to end, we'll go. From scratch to advanced, I will move into the subject level, not direct into so advanced level. Slow down, then we'll move from end to end. No worry about it. Everything we'll discuss. But don't neglect this SQL. SQL is the backbone for all technologies nowadays. Must and should we need to touch with the data daily. Web development level or machine learning level or AI level. Okay, data engineering, cloud, wherever it is, business intelligence, all over the areas, SQL knowledge is required. Mandatory. Suppose, for example, if I'm saying I'm a 5 years of a BI developer, definitely they are going to ask at least 5-10 minutes SQL queries along with our primary technology. If I'm saying data engineering, yes, along with my data engineering, they are going to be point out SQL, database knowledge. So that is what SQL we should learn. Right technology it is for becoming all technologies. This is the backbone. Don't worry your experience or if you don't have any prior knowledge. So then anyway, then we are going to be start from scratch onwards here.
Okay.
Anything else apart from this, Sidhu?
Sir,
Yeah.
will we be covering database design from scratch and its relationships in our curriculum?
Data modeling we are going to be touch here. Two different data models, especially OLTP model and OLAP model. Business process, business analytical process.
And what I mean to ask is, when a company is establishing, like as a start, like when a company is getting started, they design their database, right?
Exactly.
So how will a company decide, like what tables, how many tables do they require? What type of tables should
Yeah,
be
that's all.
created?
Exactly. See, that is all we have a process is there. Data modeling level. Separate.
Is that called data modeling?
Yeah, I will cover the data model in deep.
And its relationships also, no, sir?
Exactly. All relations, table to table. Okay. And if you are expecting to create a data to run with the business, we should follow different model. If we are expecting to maintain a data for analytics, then we should follow different model. See, house construction is different, godown construction is different. Both are buildings only, right or wrong? House is a
అంటే
building.
మరి అలా అసలు ఒక మనం డేటా అప్లికేషన్ ఒకటి అనలిటిక్స్ ఒక డిఫరెంట్ డిజైన్ చేస్తే ఇష్యూ అలా ఉండదా? Will there not be any issue if we
First of all, there is a method is there, that method to be followed. First, we have to analyze it. What is our requirement and what is the business is going on? And so first of all, that is all we call it as a business model. First, we should observe the business. If somebody is else asking me, yes, boss, Sridhar, you are an expert in database, 12 years of experience is that, then go and design me. And what I know that to design, what he is running, what is the business. First, we should observe the business. What attributes they are running there. Panipuri Bandi is a business. They are asking me, go and create a database. Who knows this? Which table is required and what columns are required? We should observe the business first of all. Sit with the business analyst and ask the business analyst all questions. How you are running the business? What are the sources? Sale, product, how many objects are there? Then object level, what we require. Suppose, for example, if I am saying product table. Product table, what product it is? Of course, right or wrong? So, see, product to product columns will be varying. That is the way then we have to be connected this.
Normally, the company who will be responsible to design a database, is it DBA or developer?
Actually, that is the part of that's not related to the developer. That is the part is related to this high-end officials, means database designers architects, data warehouse architect, database architect, or else a data steward. Somebody else, if it is a small company, then I can't recruit the data analyst or means data designer.
Yes.
Right or wrong? Then I
Yes,
will
sir.
go for the developer only. I will sit with the developer, boss, please, you have any experience? This is my business, go and do it. I will request them, then which developer should be involved. Simple example. If I want to construct a building in a Hyderabad, must and should we should be approached with a civil engineer for the building proper architecture. If I want to construct a small house in my village, we don't require a civil engineer, then go and provide the contact to the builder direct. Builder don't know anything about architecture. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the way the requirement will get. According to that, we have to be play the game.
Yeah.
No worry about it. We discuss deep about a modeling.
Yes.
Anything else apart from this, guys? Murali, Sampur, Santosh, Shyam, Shiva. No questions, guys? Okay, thank you all of you for to attend this second demo. So my team will get back to you for further confirmations today. Tomorrow onwards, the regular session will start at 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.